Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add Fingerprint Lock to your WhatsApp for enhanced security and privacy. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Step 2. Tap on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the WhatsApp settings menu. Step 3. In the settings menu, look for the privacy option and tap on it. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Fingerprint Lock option and tap on it. Step 5. Finally, toggle on the Fingerprint Lock feature. And there you have it. You have successfully added Fingerprint Lock to your WhatsApp account, adding an extra layer of security to your conversations and personal information. Remember, with Fingerprint Lock enabled, you'll need to use your registered fingerprint to unlock the WhatsApp app, providing additional protection against unauthorized access.